coming to certain disorders of the digestive system, we will read the very common ones. First is jaundice. We all understand that jaundice means yellowish discoloration of the skin, mucous membrane and the sclera. To be simple, yellowish discoloration of the eyes, the nails, the general body surface is known as jaundice. It happens due to elevation in the amounts of bile pigments, mainly the bilirubin. Now, jaundice is mostly caused due to the conditions associated with liver pathology. But it is wrongly thought that jaundice is only due to liver. A person might be having jaundice even when its liver is working fine. So it is beyond the discussion, beyond the scope of this class. We are not going to discuss the non-hepatic causes of jaundice. Only we need to know at our level that jaundice is yellowish discoloration of the skin and it is mostly due to liver and caused by increase in bilirubin levels. Next is vomiting. We know that the process through which there is rhythmic pulsations, contractions and food passes into the downstream of alimentary canal from the mouth, stomach, mouth, esophagus, stomach and blah 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 downwards is known as the peristalsis. In vomiting, what happens? Due to overeating, due to stress, due to motion sickness or whatever, anti-peristalsis occurs. That is reverse peristalsis. Hence, the food which is supposed to go downstream of the alimentary canal comes out through our mouth. Another thing is diarrhea. Diarrhea basically means change in frequency and consistency of stool. There is increase in frequency and it is watery in consistency. And the inability to pass stool is known as constipation. The normal cutoffs are 3 times in a day or once in 3 days. Both are normal. Less than that or change in consistency is constipation, or if more than that or watery consistency, it is diarrhea. The mainstay treatment of diarrhea is only oral rehydrating solution. If there is fever or other infections, then only we need to give antibiotics, otherwise not. And the main treatment of constipation is aluminium hydroxide, magnesium hydroxide salts, antacids, solutions, because magnesium, aluminium, these when present in the large intestine draw a large amount of water and soften the stool. And another one is indigestion, which most of us have faced many times in life when we are stressed or we are having excess spicy food. The secretion of enzymes is either less or it is less compared to the food we have taken. In normal day it would have been sufficient, but due to the more spicy food or more amount of food, this comes short. So, indigestion occurs. A feeling of heaviness, a feeling of fullness occurs inside us. There are deficiencies like for iron deficiency, we face anemia. For iodine deficiency, we might be facing thyroid disorders, and also many vitamin deficiencies can occur. For example, vitamin B1 deficiency can lead to beriberi. Vitamin B2 deficiency can lead to chiliosis, glossitis. Vitamin B3 deficiency can lead to pellagra and many more. B12 deficiency will lead to megaloblastic anemia. Also B9 will lead to megaloblastic anemia. Both of them, 9 and 12, will lead to megaloblastic anemia. Whereas iron will lead to iron deficiency anemia, that is hypochromic microcytic anemia. That is, the RBCs are smaller than normal in size and they have pale color compared to the normal RBCs. Also, vitamin A1 will lead to xerophthalmia, that is dry eyes and night blindness. Vitamin K is needed for the coagulation profile. If deficient, it will lead to coagulation disorders. Vitamin D Deficiency can lead to rickets, osteomalacia. So, deficiencies are the most common nutritional problems faced in India. And the other problem is protein energy malnutrition.